Welcome again. In the previous video, Advanced Search Methods Part 1, we covered Boolean operators, nested searches, and quotation marks around search phrases. But if you are still having trouble finding the right sources, here are some additional methods to refine your results. In this video, we'll go over subject search strategies and truncated search terms. At the Montgomery Library homepage, CU Search allows you to search for sources by keyword, author, subject, and title. These are called search indexes. The broadest way to search is by keyword, which requires that the search term appear somewhere in the source's electronic record. If you search by subject, you will find sources that are categorized as aligning exactly with the search term you are using. If you click the Advanced Search link, you can search by a variety of other indexes, as shown on this menu. Advanced Search gives you a nice layout for mixing and matching operators, search indexes, and search terms. You can even add more rows to add additional terms. Here on the right, you can see the list of 83 databases that are automatically included when you use CU Search. Let's try an example now. First, click Sign In at the top right so we can get full text access to the sources. Now, let's say we want to read something written by President Abraham Lincoln about the Civil War. Choose Author from the Index menu and type in Abraham Lincoln, and will be the operator we'll use for this Boolean search. Under Search Index, we'll choose Identifier Subject. Searching by identifier subject means the same thing as doing a subject search. Then type in Civil War and click Search. On this source, you can confirm that the author is Abraham Lincoln, born in 1809. You can click an author's name to find all sources in the system by the same author. Look at the list of subjects. Here you can see that Civil War is included. You can also click any subject on the list to pull up other sources associated with the same subject, like this. Let's try two realistic searches and compare how many results we get for a keyword search compared to a subject search. First, let's select Identifier Subject. This will give us a subject search. Then type in 13th Amendment, followed by or 13th Amendment. I am using quotation marks here to screen out sources about other amendments. Using or allows you to find alternate spellings for 13th. As a subject search, this gives us 122 results. These sources will be highly focused on the 13th Amendment. Now let's compare this to a regular keyword search. The fastest way is just to go back to our home page and then use the CU search box. Here, keyword is automatically selected as the search index. Then type in the same search phrase as before. Now we have 842 results. Why does the keyword search provide so many more sources than a subject search? This happens because a keyword search yields a mix of sources, with some being highly focused and others being only slightly focused on your search topic. Next, let's try an interesting trick called truncation. If a search term has multiple forms, use a shortened form of the word and add an asterisk. For example, free followed by an asterisk will search for words such as free, freedom, freeman, and freewoman. Here is an example of a nested Boolean search using two truncated terms. The truncated terms are free, and the other one is LIBR. They're each followed by an asterisk. The results here should include sources about Lincoln that mention words such as free, freedom, liberate, liberation, and liberty. Now that you are familiar with these methods for getting the most out of CU Search, you can also try these methods in other databases too. Many databases allow you to search by subject, and they usually interpret quotation marks, parentheses, and asterisks in the same ways. It is also a good habit to put and, or, and not in all caps, since many databases require this to activate Boolean searching. Thanks for watching.